Hi, this is Dr. Gary. Welcome to the Daily Tune-Up today. Our Mind Talk program this week was about thinking. I'm going to talk about that a little bit right now. Most of the people that I talk to these days, with Christmas right around the corner, find themselves enthralled with the excitement one moment, and then the next moment they're completely depressed and concerned because of their own negative thinking. You know, negative thinking that comes across from listening to the news, listening to their friends who are out of work, listening to those who have lost their homes. So there's a lot of stuff going on right now, let alone wars and discord between America and other countries. A lot to worry about, people shooting each other. There's a lot to think about. And the trouble with thinking is we think. When we think and think thoughts over and over again, what happens is it becomes what I call a well-trod path in that thought process. Thinking is like any other muscle in our body. The more we use it, the more fluid it becomes. The challenge with it, though, is when we habitually think negative thoughts, those negative thoughts burn in, and then when we're not really thinking about thinking, they just kind of automatically pop in. One of the best ways to get rid of negative thinking, first of all, is to be uptime. Pay attention to what you are thinking and ask yourself, is there any reason, or is there any constructive reason thinking this is going to be helping me any more than not thinking it? And then the next thing is I want you to really focus on the thought that you would rather have. And what you have to do now, you have to do the work. You have to decide to think that thought over and over again consciously, a few times. And when you automatically slide into the negative thought, start thinking the positive thought you want to replace it with, especially if it's an habitual thought. What you're going to notice is your mind's going to condition itself to switch those tracks automatically. If you practice that, you can overcome your negative thinking. Because the negative thinking is not just because that's the kind of person you are, you've actually trained yourself to be that way. Which means you can learn how to be another way. So practice that. I'm wishing you an extraordinary weekend. Christmas is next week. Get out there and have some fun and focus on those good thoughts and the good things in your life rather than the news. All right, this is Dr. Gary. Until tomorrow, wishing you a great day. Bye-bye.